decision or the sanction that will be given by the international committee will be binding only for a temporary period of time. And any final decision or verdict that might come out from the court, that will be the final decision. So in the standard international committee, through you also, we can take the temporary injunction.
The Nantudas, since yesterday, he has been under police custody. So that is as per the information that we have received, and till at the moment we are not yet concrete on the actual status that he is in.
In the coming weeks, there will be an inter-university football women. So, as per the rules, the one particular woman should be escort the female team to participate in the university. So, she is not a student of this university.
No, my question is whether she.
The victim that the person who was a victim of yesterday, she is not the student of this university. She is a referee actually, so she has been appointed by the concerned authority to represent the university as the female escort, to escort the university team that is going to participate in the inter-university tournament that is going to be organized in Orissa. But the thing is that the tournament was supposed to be held next week. They are supposed to move up the university next week, but the Nantudas had requested her to report yesterday. So while coming to the visiting the site yesterday, we have witnessed that she is the only member of that team to be representing the university team to Orissa that is available at that particular spot. Because as per rules and procedures, the students also should be there. But we did not see any students, the players who have been selected to represent Nehu to be in the old guest house yesterday. Only the victim was there with Nantudas. But when we arrived in that site, Nantudas has already fled the scene. So we're not able to confront him or to inquire him in any ways that we could possibly get. Immediately after that incident yesterday, CD in charge of that old guest house, he had duly informed the registrar of the university. He has duly informed the sports director of the university, who is in charge at the moment. So yes, that happened yesterday. So from the union, we collectively come today to demand the vice chancellor to take a hard decision to remove this Nantudas from all official designations. And after discussion with the vice chancellor, he has given us confirmation that he will need at least 1 or 2 days to give a decision considering our demands, and we are hopeful that he will take the actions accordingly. And if the administrators, if the vice chancellor does not act accordingly, we, the students union, we will be prepared to take further measurements. And this is a message to the university in general. The faculty, who is the assistant sports director of Nehu, and as per the information that we have received from her, is that she was informed to report yesterday, which was not a working day. So while coming from her hometown, halfway along Umsherpi, this Nantudas, he came to pick her up. As per the rules and procedures, he cannot do that. So he himself pick her up, and then he escort her till the Kianaba old guest house. So on reaching the site, reaching the room, what he did was that he started to assault her, started to harass her, sexually molest her sexually without the consent of the person involved. So she was fighting that Nantudas, and with the grace of God, she was able to survive this incident. And after that fight that she was having with him, he fled the scene. After fleeing the scene, we get the news. We received the news that that girl was being molested, was sexually harassed by this Nantudas. So we came immediately we came immediately to Nehu and to show support to her and to inquire what has really happened. So after having a discussion with her, then we were waiting for the family members to come, and the family members came, and then they had taken a decision after discussion, taken decisions to file an FIR against the Nantudas, the alleged person. So after a few hours, we received the news that this Nantudas had requested the police department to escort him to the police station. So when we went to file the FIR, we also witnessed that he was under police custody at that particular time. So that is what happened yesterday, and after that incident, she was taken into a hospital for medical tests as per rules and procedures.